It's here kahit binagyo. Oh my God, ito na siya. Ay, I'm so excited. Dumating na siya. Okay, this is my crybaby vacation mode on. Meron siyang. So, let's do an unboxing. Okay. Tanggalin muna natin ang plastic. Kahit umuulan today, sobrang dumating na siya. Nabasang-basa ang box. Good thing, it's safe and sound. Buo pa naman siya. I'm so excited. Let's do some unboxing. Yes. Wait. Okay. Maglagay tayo ng vacation mode. Naka-vacation mode siya. Okay. So this one is the box. Came from Pop-Mart. Okay. So when you look at it, saan ba yung ano? Yan. Ito yung mga flashes. Meron tayong My Summer Vibe, which is my I Want. So, makuha ko siya. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Si Full Sail, Let's Surf, Chilling on the Beach, and then Sunbathing, and Glug Glug. Okay? Aside from this, I also purchased pins. Pero alam ko rin kung anong laman nun. And of course, my secret, which is the mermaid. Okay, so now, ano natin siya gagawin? Open muna natin. Open from here. Ang goal natin is to get this. The other stuff, pwede rin naman. Pero, of course, this one. And the secret for Mima. Mima. Wait, my cat isn't here. Amaris, no! Ay! Okay. So, makisali ng cat ko. Ika muna. Dalhin natin ito. Excited ako. Okay. Dahan-dahan. And, yeah, I'm so excited. Kalimutan ko to. Sinabangan ni Mima. She purchased 2. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, dahil swerte ako, baka kailangan ka mag-purchase. Okay, let's open the box. Lovely. And we put it inside there. There you go. Now, of course, tatanggalin natin to. This one. Oh, I love the sound of it. And this one too. Sira ko nga siya. Sobrang excited ko. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. I'm so happy. Hirap ah. Ay! Nasira ko na nga. Finally, okay. So our goal for today is to get the secret. And hopefully the secret is inside. And here are the things that we can get. Look at them. The goal is to get this one. Heart. Or the pink one. The surf one. Heart. Let's see. Okay. Let's do this. Ooh, the box is really nice. Love it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 boxes. Okay, our first choice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this one? Ooh. You know, diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the secret. Okay, let's pull this. What do we want? Now, see My summer vibe. Okay, love it. I love the sound of the box. Oh. Okay, we will not look at the we will not look at the card, but we will have to open this first. Kapain muna natin. I like the packaging. Okay. Ooh! OMG! Wait. I think ito na yung gusto ni Mima. Oh my God! Oh! OMG! Wait. I need to call Mima. Kasi ito yung favorite ko kasi niya. Wait. Mima! Parang ayoko na ibigay kay Mima. So this is how it looks like. So with the package, nice. Crybaby in the sand. And this is how she looks like. Wow, napaka niya. Super detailed. Okay, with what's this? Hair is so detailed. I love the hair. And she has a mermaid. Oh! She's a mermaid, but you can remove the stuff. Like this. There's a button. I saw a button at the back. Tapos pwede mo siyang i-remove to just make her a real person, just like Ariel. Oh my God, I love the details. There's a squid, the hair, and this one. Oh my God, this is pearls. The eyes is pearls. The tears are pearls. And then the very nice, oh, diba? Tapos pasok natin ulit siya, magiging mermaid siya. Oh, cutie! First one, and then this one. I like it so much. Good job, ah. Nice pull. Lagay muna natin siya dito. Let's put it inside. Okay. Hindi siya maayos. Well, anyway. Next box is this one. Ito naman I hope sisakuha na natin yung secret. That's the first goal. That's good. This is a nice haul and also a nice day. Even though I have hangover at hindi ako nag-ayos for this kasi sobrang excited ko. Ito ang goal natin, okay? This one, and this one. So, see my summer vibe, and let's surf. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Napapakanta ako ng mermaid. Ano yung mermaid song? Let's see. Okay, let's pull it out. And put this one here para hindi natin alam. Okay. Oh. Pinakapa ko siya. Oh my God! Isa na naman yata magandang pool to. Hala! Wait. Let's open. Let's open. Oh my God! Teka lang. Hala! Blue! So cute! So, sino siya? Napapakanta ko. Siya ay si chilling on the beach. Okay? So, she is chilling on the beach. Vacation mode. Oh, nice. This is nice. Vacation mode. Is this a sticker? I think it is. Yes, it's a sticker. Nice. The other one is not a sticker, but this one is a sticker. Okay. And let's pull the hair. Let's see. Oh, see? I like the color. It's pink and violet. Very purpley, lavender, whatever the color is. The hair is blonde. See? Ganda. Blue yung handle niya. And then the hair is blonde. Then there's this one. I don't know if it looks like an egg pero sunflower. And the eyes. It's like water eyes. I like her face. She's really nice. Nice din, ah. Okay. That's good. Still nice. Okay, dito ka. Next box, we go to this one at the back. Baka ito na si My Summer Vibe. Please. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Summer Vibe. Papakanta ko. Okay. Let's put the box here. The box in here. Okay. Buti tingnan. Nervous ako. Parang maliit. Maliit siya. Kalahati lang. Okay. And we open it again. And then we pull our crybaby. Gusto ko pumikit. OMG! Not yet the Summer Vibe, but it's still, her name is, and then may sticker pa rin. Let's see. Ayusin ko muna. There's a sticker. And her name is the Sunbathing. Nice. Very detailed. It's a blue handle too. The other one is light blue. And then yellow curly hair. Oh, shades is good. The eyes is like the same as the others. Ang galing natin. And, of course, the shades. Tapos yun, super detailed. Diba? Super heart shape. Heart shape bikini, or is it just a bikini? But I feel like it's heart shape. And then the eye shades. Pwede angat, sosyal. Oh, there's the eyes. She has blue eyes. I love it. Oh, diba? Nice, no? Nice. This one is so nice. See, sunbathing. And then, ito talaga ng Crybaby and even the Pop Mart, especially Crybaby, super nice. I don't know. I can relate. Very relate. Hindi ako makita. Naiyak ako. Dito muna tayo. Okay. Dito. Okay. Oh my God. My Summer Vibe, please. Before we go any further at makita si Summer Vibe, nakuha na natin si Secret. The Secret, which is our mermaid. Okay. The Secret. And which is, oh, see, 1 out of 72. Oh, lucky me. And then we have the sunbathing, and we also have chilling on the beach. This one. Okay, our goal is to get, of course, My Summer Vibe, and also Let's Surf. But they're all pretty anyway. Ito na yata si little surf and everything. Okay. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's move it. I don't wanna look. Ito na. Let's pull the bag. Sarado natin para hindi kahit. Okay, kapain muna natin. Ah! Oh my God! Nakapako yung surfboard! Oh, she's so pretty! Ang ganda-ganda niya! Yellow handle, yellow ribbon, purple hair. Look at the hair. And so me, ballerina, yellow bikini, and then the ballerina, like a mermaidy, whatever, palda, and of course, the Crybaby vacation mode surfboard. surfboard. At natatanggal siya, guys. Oh. 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 Bongga! Balik na natin sa kanya. Oh my God! Thank you, Lord! Dinamay pa talaga si Lord sa pag-unboxing. Wait. Okay. Balik ko na. Ibalik ko na siya. Na-excite na ako! May vacation ba? Oh, my okay. Parang bata. Okay. Next, that's her. See, let's surf. Let's surf. Let's surf. Let's surf. Nice, nice, nice. Very detailed. I like her. Nakuha na natin. Second goal for today. So, the one with it is of course, the sticker. Oh, si Secret lang yung merong handle. Okay, that's good. That's good. Ganda talaga nitong anong to, ha. So, dito tayo. Baka nandito. Katabi ni Secret. Okay. Titigil muna ako. Okay. So, meron na tayong Secret. Si Secret ay si... Ano ba si Secret? Mere Baby Tears, which is the Secret. We have sunbathing. We also have chilling on the beach. And of course, ang aking goal na isa, so let's surf. Okay. Sana ito na siya. Ito na, feeling ko ito na siya. Ano mong kasama ni ano? Chinelas! Chinelas. Chinelas, may chinelas. Okay. Okay. Let's put the bag here. And the box here. Okay. Hindi talaga ako tumitingin na. Siyempre, baka makita ko yung mismong ano eh. Yung bag. Kapain natin. Oh my God! Hindi pa rin. I think hindi pa rin. Pero, let's see, let's see. Hindi pa rin siya. Naiyak ako. Naiyak ako. Pero okay lang. Kasi siya ay si... Tada! Ang cute! Ang cute niya. What is she? Si glug 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 glug. Let's remove. Ang cute ng hair niyan. Parang siya nag-ano talaga, no? Diving. Diving? Oh, yeah. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, look. This is white naman. White and red. The original Pop Mart logo. But this is cute. I like the handle. Does the handle have... Ah, yeah. Have all the Pop Mart. I didn't notice. Lahat ng mga ganito ko ba may Pop Mart? Well, anyway. You know, this is so nice. The eyes is also blue. She's sad, but she's making me happy. Blonde hair with what's this? Sanrio. Pwede ko palang i-Sanrio to anytime. Palitan. And then also the tears are like water. And of course with the girls do cry. Of course we do cry. Diba? Nice. This is how she looks like. Of course, meron siyang polipik. I don't know what this is. Oh, nare-remove siya. You can remove it. You can remove it if you want to. Pero hindi. Nakatahi. Well, anyway, she's cute. Cutie. One last, please, Lord. Please. Oh my God. Okay. So, I hope this is my last box, no? Sana ito na, no? So, meron si Summer Vibe. Full Sail. Ang wala na lang tayo ay si Full Sail and My Summer Vibe pala. Itong dalawa na lang. Pero I want this, please. Okay naman to. Pero please. Iti-trade ko talaga to. Dun sa Mermaid. Pero okay lang. Okay, let's see. Oh my God. OMG. Kinakabahan ako. Okay. Lagay natin siya dito sa dulo. Magtago tayo. Magtago tayo, Lord. OMG. Taran, taran, taran. Ayaw niya pa magpaano. Ayaw niya magpaangat. Okay. Okay, please. Please, ano siya na to? Parang siya na. OMG, siya na ba to? Okay. Let's make angat and open. Angat and open. And... Aww! But it's okay. She's also nice. Oh, I didn't get what I want. Oh, she's nice, oh. She's pink. She's like me. But she has a blonde hair. This is, what's her name? What's her name? Full Sail. So, si Full Sail siya. Okay, this is the handle. The handle is pretty. So pinky. And then my headband. And then there's a blonde hair. The lips is so cute. This is so me. This is so me. Tapos yan, the pink bikini, just like me. May love handles din siya. Okay, this is how she looks like. Hindi na remove yung ano. But this is how she looks like. Okay. And of course, we got another sticker. Sticker. Okay, that's all we have. Oh my God. Nalungkot ako. Pero, yun ang ating mga crybaby. Wait.